Welcome back. Let's speak of the Parliament now. On the 22nd of April this year, nearly 26 innocent Indians were tragically killed for their faith. Hindu tourists who were specifically targeted and shot in front of their loved ones. 97 days later, 3 of the terrorists, the butchers who were responsible for the Pahalgam attack, were eliminated with headshots. Now, Home Minister Amit Shah stated in Parliament that all of the 3 terrorists were shot in the head, and this was the success that the security forces gained when Operation Mahadev was undertaken, as far as when it comes to making sure that right after the Pahalgam terror attack, the main priority of the government of India and the security forces was that the terrorists don't find a way to move back into Pakistan.
देश भर से मुझे बहुत एसएमएस आए थे, विशेषकर जो मारे गए थे उनके परिजनों का, कि इनके सर में गोली मारिएगा, जब भी मारे तब। तीनों के एनकाउंटर के वक्त तीनों के सर में ही गोली लगा है। देश भर से मुझे बहुत एसएमएस आए थे, विशेषकर जो मारे गए थे उनके परिजनों का, कि इनके सर में गोली मारिएगा, जब भी मारे तब। तीनों के एनकाउंटर के वक्त तीनों के सर में ही गोली लगा है।
Now, speaking on the House, as far as in the Rajya Sabha is concerned, as the Home Minister's statement that he made on Operation Sindoor and Pahalgam terror attack was voiced and was faced with a lot of opposition coming in, where the opposition thereafter decided to stage a walkout, as they were wanting that the Prime Minister himself speaks in the Rajya Sabha as well. But as far as the Parliament debate and discussion that has been taking place in both houses of Parliament, we continue to get you the details that have now been coming in on the government statement that has now been made by the Union Home Minister in Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha. Let's in the meantime move on and talk about, as far as when we talk about the verdict that is now coming in the 2008 Malegaon blast case, almost 17 years after the blast killed 6 people and left more than 100 injured in Maharashtra. The case saw the term saffron terror becoming a part of Congress party's political ammunition. Now, when we speak of the Union Home Minister, while speaking on this issue as far as when it comes to terrorism in the Rajya Sabha, he took on the proponents of the saffron terror bogey and thundered that Hindus can never be terrorists.
हिंदू टेरर का सगुफा किसने छोड़ा? मैं आज दुनिया के सामने, देश की जनता के सामने गर्व से कहता हूं कि हिंदू कभी टेररिस्ट नहीं हो सकता। हम कभी टेररिस्ट नहीं हो सकते। क्या कहना चाहते हैं? फर्जी टाइप के केस बनाए, एक भी केस अदालत में नहीं टिका। देशभक्त संगठनों पर आरोप लगाए आपने, सिर्फ आपकी छिछोरी राजनीति के लिए, क्षुल्लक फायदे के लिए।
Now, even though the issue of religion was first raised by the Congress party after Amit Shah's scathing criticism, the party, however, has now accused the BJP of deflecting, as this is coming at a time when the opposition decided to stage a walkout while the Home Minister was addressing the upper house.
Why this distraction now? Who is even discussing Hindu terror? Nobody is discussing Hindu terror. Why is he trying to bring that phrase in to our narrative so that we are distracted from the actual failures of this government on defense policy, on foreign policy, on trade policy, and multiple failures, domestic security. So that's been the thumb rule of this government, to distract attention from the fundamental issues, from the fundamental failures of this government.
Now, while the Congress says it is the Home Minister and the BJP who are now deflecting from the main issues that need to be addressed, its ally, the Samajwadi Party, says that it is in fact the BJP which seems to be indulging in Hindu-Muslim politics.
देखिए, गृह मंत्री जी को बताना चाहिए कि नाथूराम गोडसे कौन है। जब आप किसी एक धर्म का नाम लेते हैं और दूसरे धर्मों का नाम नहीं लेते हैं, तो कहीं न कहीं आप दूसरे धर्मों पर उंगली उठाने का काम करते हैं। और एक धर्मनिरपेक्ष देश में देश के गृह मंत्री जो संवैधानिक पद पर बैठे, उनसे ये उम्मीद नहीं की जाती कि वो इस तरह की भाषा का इस्तेमाल करें। भारतीय जनता पार्टी वो केवल हिंदू मुसलमान करना चाहती है।
Now, this is coming at a time, as far as statements that have been made by the Home Minister in the House as far as the opposition which staged a walkout. However, Amit Shah has hailed the Prime Minister as well for giving Pakistan a befitting reply. But also coming at a time when the Home Minister has asserted that the same terrorists, the butchers of Pahalgam, who were shot in the head as the nation wanted, as the victims of Pahalgam terror attack wanted. But speaking on the issue of saffron terror or Hindu terror, here is the Home Minister who clearly asserted that when it comes to terrorism, there cannot be any Hindus who could be assaulted, and any case of terrorism is now concerned. We'll get you the updates coming in from the Parliament as the session will resume in a short while from now.